What's up, my El Camino people? Thanks for tuning in. Last week's vlog was hella chill. Go peep that one if you haven't seen it yet. Next week, I finally get the Elco in the shop. Definitely got a bit more done this week, whether it be dad shit around the house or on the El Camino. Now you know I gotta start each week on the water. Took the boys down to the river, let them play for a few hours to wear themselves out. After that, it was time for me to go get some work done.
Damn!
After showing the boomers the Elco, had to go get some other gas and get right to it. After a little cruise around the neighborhood, I pulled up to the lumber yard to go get the mulch I needed for the house.
Yoink, 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 yoink.
Fucking go, baby!
Grabbed what I thought was enough mulch, and now it's time to run inside and go pay. Headed back home, I took a little detour, and look what I stumbled upon. Mulch time. Not moose shitting in the background. I love using this thing. I think I need to go buy another one. Not super hype with this. I think I should have bought 10 more bags. Taking the body kit off left these goofy lines, and there's no way I'm showing up to a car show with those still. Ran out of buffing compound, so this polish will have to do. With the polish finished, it was time to make every other inch of the truck look real good. Get down off of my El Camino. Go. Go. Now, it's one thing to spray the engine bay down, but you definitely gotta make sure you wipe it down too. Bet y'all didn't know I'm a certified detailer too.
What's that, brother?
That right there is exactly why we're doing this rebuild. With my plans changing on the car show, I decided to paint the front end. The chrome was looking real bad on all these pieces, so I blacked them out. Tell me what y'all think. Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. daily posts on Instagram and TikTok, and drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino.
Peace.